SunYEAR folding camping chair. I'll show you how to use it. Basically two parts in here. One which is the netting. We sit, put our back. This has 4 little pockets, 4 little grooves those poles are going to go into. Where the tag is, that's going to be the top part. Goes on the back. Let me show you the metal part. So these have an elastic inside that almost makes them fold together by themselves, as you can see. So you help them in the grooves, make sure that they're all locked into place. You can see that the bottom ones, there's 4 bottom ones, right? They have these rubber footholds. It doesn't slip or sink into the sand, which is a cool feature. Check that they're all tight and in place. As you can see, these 2 shorter ones is where my butt's gonna sit, and these long ones are for my back. So now we take the pockets that I had mentioned. We're just gonna slide them. I like to start with the back, right? Making sure that the tag is at the top. It's number 2. They go in really easy, as you can see. Yeah. So, next, put in the floor. Now this one I have to add a little more pressure, but not much, you can see. Yeah, my kids actually set these up for me. So, shouldn't be too hard. This last one, just so that it has the tension that the chair needs, holds it all together, this one needs a little more pressure. Yeah, but as you can see, not too much either. And there, they're ready to go.